How to fix Instagram story issue. If you have any problem with your Instagram story, this video is gonna help you a lot. First thing, go to the settings and then go to the apps. Excuse me. Now after you go to the apps, on this page you will find all the apps that you have in your phone. All what you want to do is wait a few seconds and then scroll like this until you find Instagram. Click on it. Now this is the app informations page. Click on force stop and then go to the data usage. Now right here you have to disable the roaming data and make sure to enable all those three options here. Go back, click on storage, click on clear cache, and that's it. Now don't forget to like, subscribe.